Every meadow is a home to thousands of different species of animals, from gentle butterflies to tiny predators, each beautiful and unique in their own way. While we can see them around us every day, some of them remain more or less mysterious. Meet the bee fly. The bee fly navigates around the tall grass searching for flowering plants to feast on. With over 4,500 described species and thousands more to be described, it is one of the larger families of flies. Despite that, most species of these flies are very elusive and can only be found in wild, untouched habitats. As a result, they remain very poorly known, with most species' life cycle remaining mostly unknown. However, from the better-known species, we know that their larvae are mostly parasites of other invertebrates. The female will quickly flick her eggs in the host's burrow mid-flight. Just before each egg is released, it gets coated with a layer of sand from a chamber in the tip of the abdomen. This prevents the eggs from drying out and adds for a better aim. With hundreds of wing flaps per second, it releases a loud, high-pitched hum. And when they fly in groups, they make some incredible melodies. Take a listen. The bee fly isn't the only one that calls the meadow its home. There are hundreds of other dipterans sharing the safety of the tall grass, including the genus Ectophasia, the unique Myopa dorsalis, which are both parasitic species, and another one taking advantage of mimicry, a hoverfly. Many hoverflies use the bright colors of wasps and other stinging insects to their advantage, potentially as a warning to predators. But the hoverfly is a harmless nectar eater, with the exception of their larvae. Some species are insectivores in their larval stage, eating aphids and other plant-eating insects, making them very welcome to many farmers and gardeners as a natural pest control. But mimicking a bee may not always be the best idea. There is one animal that does not fear stingers, and will gladly take down prey bigger than its body: the Napoleon spider. As a species of crab spiders, the Napoleon spider does not build webs. Instead, it waits hidden in a flower petal, waiting for unsuspecting pollinators to land. It then uses its strong front legs to grab the prey and then injects it with venom. No insect knows which flower will be its last one. If it's in reach, the spider will grab it. The females of this species come in different colors, from bright red, yellow, and white. Many meadow inhabitants share their colors and stunning patterns, but no other animal does it better than butterflies. Most of them will capture your eye in an instant, either because of their bright color, for example a swallowtail, or perhaps because of their contrasting patterns, like the marbled white. Some of them look more like birds than insects. For example, one of the fastest lepidopterans of the meadow, the hummingbird hawk moth, does not land on its host flowers, but rather drinks nectar while hovering in the air, just like a hummingbird. Some other moths we can find here, like the brassy longhorn, have beautiful metallic colors, and then others, like the six-belted clearwing, mimic other insects. For many butterflies here, orange seems to be quite a common color. The painted lady is mostly orange. So is the twin-spotted fritillary, the knapweed fritillary, Glanville fritillary, the meadow brown, and the large skipper. Other common species are burnet moths, different types of whites, and blues. Butterflies are no doubt one of the most varied insects. A bit further down the stem lives another predator, the lynx spider. This one here belongs to the genus Oxyopes or grass lynx spiders. Similarly to crab spiders, most lynx spiders don't build webs, but rather grasp their prey with their legs. Some species even have their bristles placed in a way that helps them with holding on to prey. Unlike most spiders, these spiders show tolerance and sometimes even social behavior to other members of their species. They can be spotted in pairs or small groups, with specific species even sharing meals. These predators contribute to the health of the ecosystem by keeping the insect population in control, while many other creatures are key in plant reproduction. Every single little animal plays its own important role in the health of the meadow's ecosystem.